Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Mihlali has released her Durban July vlog on her YouTube channel last night, and I must say that it's pretty much interesting, as not only did she attend the Durban July with Mihlali Sidambe, who we know is MaryJane Sidambe's husband, who is now in an official relationship with her, Mihlali, after it was reported that MaryJane moved out of her marital home, you guys. Now, what's shocking is that Mihlali had I don't know if I should say the nerve or what, but she was in the same makeup room with her boyfriend's wife, or MaryJane Sidambe, at the Durban July doing their makeup. And she took a video of that moment, you guys, and actually put it in her YouTube vlog, you guys. Now, people were praising MJ, of course, maturity in maintaining her composure, and said Mihlali is disrespectful and that one day she will get her karma, you guys. So without wasting your time, please check out this video. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Bye.
No, there's no